Did you know that the secret to elevating your cooking lies in the kind of flavors that you use? So today I want to show you one secret ingredient you should not miss. Hi my darling, welcome to the Elias channel. Today we are making a green flavor paste seasoning. This is a paid recipe in one of my ebook, one of the favorite of a lot of people, so let's get into it. I use some fresh ginger, I use oregano, I have some chili, I have some spring onions, a lot of garlic, lot of thyme, celery stalks, I have fresh onions, and also I have some basil and some parsley. So this is just a bunch of all your fresh herbs that you have, and fresh herbs has depth of flavors to your cook. So you just have to chop some of the bulky ones, chop, and cut them in size that will be much easier for your blender to blend through. And you just pretty much use everything that you owe. Most times when I have leftover herbs and I'm yet to get to use it, this is what I just blend it with so that it doesn't get spoiled. So just pour in your ingredients in batches because this is a big batch. This is supposed to last me for a whole month. Yes, I usually make it beginning of the month so it lasts me the whole month. So I'm just blending with my food processor because it's more economical that way. If you want to use a blender, you will need to add liquid to it, and you can either use water or oil. If you use water, it doesn't last beyond a week or two because it starts to ferment due to the water content. So except you are doing a big party, yes, you can blend with water and use it up within 1 week. But if you want to blend with oil, it takes a lot of oil and then it lasts up to 6 weeks when you use oil to blend. So this is me just blending. I blended in batches, so I'm trying to mix it together so that every component has a touch of each of the herbs that I've used, like everything mixed together. The use of this recipe is endless. You can use it in any cooking and every cooking. If you have enjoyed this recipe to this point, please don't forget to subscribe. To experiment with different ingredients and adjust the quantity to what you need. This will last me more than 6 weeks in the fridge, and I hope you enjoy this recipe. Bye.